What's up, guys? So we're gonna go over how to make the aloe concentrate today. So how you do that, it's super simple. It comes in this pint size. You can also get it in a half-gallon size. And we have mango flavor, we have original flavor, as well as mandarin and cranberry. So they all taste super awesome. But my favorite is the mango. So it's really easy to make. All you do is just unscrew the cap. Okay, we're doing 3 of these capfuls into 8 ounces of water. I personally like to add the aloe first, and then add the water in, just so you can get it mixed up real nice and good. Got it there, got it in the cup. I already measured up 8 ounces of water. So we're gonna pour that in here. Okay, you can add an ice for a refreshing drink, mix it up, and you're ready to go. Another option is you can also add the 3 capfuls into your already mixed tea, which is this right here that I already went over in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and check out how to make the tea. Thanks for taking the time to check out today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where you can find more healthy tips, tricks, and workouts that will help you get to your weight loss goals.